scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Utility maximization problems are easy if you follow this logic. Let us find how Ricardo should spend his budget to win. To maximize total utility, Ricardo needs to compare the marginal utility per dollar for both goods. We calculate this by dividing the marginal utility of each item by its price. For apples, 15 divided by 5 gives us 3 units per dollar. For bananas, 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. Bananas clearly offer more bang for every single buck. Since bananas provide higher marginal utility per dollar, Ricardo must buy more bananas and fewer apples. That makes option C our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush when comparing ratios. Always trust given data and check steps.